Very, very exciting to unbox this. Here's a hub just here, so let's go open it up and take a look. So there's a hub just there. So wrapped in plastic, it's fantastic. So there's a hub just there. Now, doesn't that look lovely and sleek? So that can sit in your cupboard or on your cupboard. And they're the ports for these as well. So they sit in there too, just there. Very, very light as well. It doesn't have much weight at all. And you can connect this to your wireless device as well. So very, very good setup. I guess the key thing with this at the moment is it feels like a very good quality build.